Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to install Instagram on Huawei Nova 13 Pro. Let's begin! So obviously you're probably known by now that you can't really do that using App Gallery since almost every single useful application here is banned. And in order to actually do that, in order to install it, we have to go into GSpace. And if you don't know what GSpace is or how to install it or how to use it, we have a tutorial on that. It's called How to Install Google Play Store. And if you follow that, you will have ability to just go in and enter Google Play Store, which you shouldn't do. You shouldn't be doing officially since, well, you know, it's banned. But now we can, after we are in our Google Play Store, we can simply search for our Instagram. And in here we can simply click Instagram and install. And after a while it should install. If for some reason it's not installing for you, then you should try restarting the application, and then you should try to restart your phone. It helped me. I recorded how to install Facebook moments ago, and it also gave me weird error message. And yeah, the restarting of the GSpace helped. So after we agree to everything, we can use our Instagram just fine. But keep in mind though that it's still not logged in. It's just a copy of the Instagram that is made using GSpace, as you can see here. And it's hosted via cloud. So that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.